Hello everyone, and welcome back to CAB Builder. We are pleased to announce the release of version 1.3.3. Let's look at the main new features. This version marks the release of the Gola Cabinet Profile System. Gola channels require special materials and special construction method parameters. We'll look at the construction first. So if you go to your Frameless construction method, you'll find a new tab called Channel System. The relevant settings appear once you enable the horizontal channels. The position sets which cuts are automatically added to the sides and partitions, from the top and bottom reveals to the first three mid reveals. Pick a profile for the mid notches, either C-shaped or L-shaped. The top and bottom channels are locked to either L-shape or special wall cabinet bottom channel profiles. Enable or disable the door and drawer front handles in this mode as well. Gola fronts usually need greater reveals than the default overlays, so the front reveal settings will override the default setup when a channel is present. Set these values for the L, C, and wall bottom specific cases. Then indicate which parts will automatically get sockets and which will not. The final section, for the socket shapes, sets the dimensions used for these channels. Materials menu, we have a new folder of predefined materials called Gola Channel System. Profiles, caps, and connectors each have multiple possibilities for the relevant parts. There aren't many material parameters to be taken care of here other than the price for each item and the pre-drilling pattern served by relevant connectors. The pre-drilling is turned on by default if you want to send these parts to the CNC, but you can also turn them off if you prefer to drill manually after installation. Once your materials are defined, you must assign them in a cabinet material assignment. There's a new tab here as well called Channel System. Make your assignments to indicate what profile, caps, and connectors you intend to use. The next step is to make your designs and apply these global options. After you've done so, if you put two cabinets of the same height together, the channels will automatically combine into one piece and the middle sockets are taken out, giving you a correct amount of the Gola materials. You can also control these channels manually within the wireframe editor. If you go to the front section of a cabinet's wireframe and select a horizontal reveal, you will see channel controls as well as the ability to turn them on or off. You can also see the sides have the ability to turn socket cuts on or off, so you can end a Gola run with a Gola cap or with no socket cut at all. The next project to check out is an update to the part editor with a new operation called Pocket. You can drag this operation onto a part to then manually edit its shape into the perimeter that you need. This allows for making precise custom cutouts outside of predefined construction presets. There is also a flip side checkbox that allows you to edit the part from the flipped perspective. In addition to labels on the part's edges, information on where you are viewing the part from. These will help you keep track of your orientation within this menu. Another enhancement is introduced within the construction method, this time as an update to the light strip datas. You can now use the same light track data connection standards for vertical parts like finished, unfinished, and subside side constructions. We also have two new CNC modes, integrating Federal Group machines through the .tcn file type and SEM Xalog machines through the .xxl format. These modes are enabled within the application settings. These are the main new features added in 1.3.3, but there are more fixes and changes in this update. To view the full list, visit our website at cabbuildersoftware.com/release notes. Thank you, and we will see you next time.